Said they label us notorious.
What's going on, guys? As you can probably tell by the title of this video, I'm gonna be trying to make some toe plates for the RX-7 or for any car in general to be able to do a ghetto in-house alignment because your shit's dirt nasty low or whatever the reason, and you don't want to take it to get aligned because you broke. So yeah, this is what we're gonna be doing it on. As you can see, old girl, I have not aligned it since I lowered it from the stock suspension to the coilovers or any camber adjustments or anything. So first things first, we're probably gonna go ahead and go to like Home Depot or something and try to cop us some wood, and you'll see what the wood will be for. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to trip it over there. Go ahead and turn this girl on. Well, I'll catch you guys at Home Depot or maybe back at my house, depending on if I find the wood or not. So, peace. So I was having an issue with my car, having kind of like a misfire at idle due to running ridge. So I took it to a local tuner, and he was able to find the issue for me. It happened to be the driver's side O2 sensor because of an exhaust leak. However, dropped the car off to him perfectly fine, and go to pick it up, and as soon as I drive away from his house, my fourth gear is scratching every single time. So I'll kind of let you guys be the judge of that. We'll do little first through fourth or whatever, just so you can get an idea of how bad the scratch is. All right. My God. So let me know what you guys think. I think that shit's pretty fucking gnarly. Kind of just needed to vent because according to him, he said it was smooth the whole time. It's like unless someone drove it after him, which is kind of fishy, but I don't really know how to go about it. So alright, so we made it to Home Depot. About to park this bad hoe somewhere. People staring and shit. It's the life of Cammed LS, daily fucking old Mazda, you feel me? We're about to park on this ghetto ass ice shit. Now, I don't know if you guys know or not, but the RX-7 is in fact my daily, seeing as how we're still working on the truck, so it stays pretty filthy. Yeah. Sickness. Alright guys, so we're walking around Home Depot looking for some of that fine lumber, right? Oh, goddamn. Look what we got ourselves here, boys. So this shit is gonna cost me $382 for 6 foot of 1x6. And this right here, this should look like some mighty fine lumber. You're really just looking for the straight edges and real nice and flat. Ooh, look at that. Look how smooth she is. Oh yeah, that's how you know you got the right piece of wood. So we're gonna take this one and yeah, so pretty much we're gonna cut it into 2 pieces, and it's gonna actually be our toe plates. So we'll cut it up right now. Betty. So now we bought our piece of wood for about $4.16. Yeah, it's a little bit, I want to say awkward out here vlogging in public, you know? People just look at you, talking about what that boy doing, but, you know, it's all good. I'm out here trying to make content for you guys so you guys could go home and do the same damn thing, save you a bunch of money on an alignment. And I don't know about your guys' alignment shops, but we got a lot of criticism over here. People talking about, why you got so much camber? That's gonna wear your tires. For real, no bullshit. Alright, so we're gonna throw this wood up in the whip. It's got quite a bit of wood, so I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Actually, I think I just figured out how I'm gonna put this wood up in here. Oh yeah, baby. That's some savage shit. Alright. Alright, so let's get back to it. Alright guys, so we're about to pull up to the crib. And yeah, trying to vlog and drive, it's kind of a mission too. But it's really fun actually. Yeah, my ghetto suspension be making all types of noises up in this bitch. Well, we made it with the lumber, boys. So let's get to fucking some shit up and making some shit straight, I guess. Alright, so the way we're gonna do this, we're going to measure pretty much the size that we need to cut our wood to make our toe plates. So if you only work on like one type of vehicle, then you can make it just built to spec, but I plan on making this to where I can use it on the truck as well whenever that bad boy gets done. So with this car, I was originally only going to make 24-inch plates. So as you can see, 24 is right there. Nah, you can't really see it, but 24. But I'm going to go ahead and make 30-inch plates so that I'll be able to align my truck, which is also on 24s. These are the basic items you're going to need. Something to cut your wood, a piece of wood, and you're actually going to need 2 measuring tapes. As long as they're at least the same size as the width of your vehicle, then you should be good. So pretty much to get started, like I said, we're going to cut 30-inch pieces. So 2 30-inch pieces is what we need from this piece of wood. And that will allow us to align our truck as well as the car. So let's measure out 30-inch and cut it. Alright, so here we have 30-inch. And that's where we're going to go ahead and make the first mark. Move it over to the other side. 30-inch. We'll make our next mark. And then from there, we'll come on down. We got 30-inch once again, which is where we will make our mark. .30-inch on the other side. Got our mark. The main thing is, since it is wood, you don't want to get it wet or it will warp and change the outcome of being able to be used for an alignment tool. That'll be the reason why I'm a mechanic and not a woodworker. Fucking shit. Alright, so now that we got the 2 pieces of wood cut up, I'm probably going to be using a grinder instead to make the slits. So pretty much, we just need to cut little slits in here to allow the piece of wood to sit flat on the floor and have the measuring tape actually sit within the wood. And then we're going to be using the measuring tape on the front side and the back side of the wheels to measure the difference in toe. So essentially, if you have your, say I have 2 wheels, right, and you lower them, it toes out, so on either side they'll be facing outwards. So as you're trying to drive your car, it's pushing or pulling, I guess, away from each other and creating a lot of unnecessary heat, and that causes you to burn through the inside of your tires, especially if you're running anything more than stock camber. Same as if it was to be inwards, so you have both of them facing in, and as your car's trying to drive down the road, they're like battling against each other, trying to push themselves into each other, also causing a bunch of unnecessary heat and premature tire wear. Alright, so what we're going to do is we need them to be marked equally. So I made a mark here right at 2 inch. And since it's only supposed to be 30, it looks like this one's a little bit bigger than 30. But we're going to go ahead and make a mark at 28 inches. And right there is where we will make our slots to allow the tape measure to go in. Measuring tape almost goes in. Damn, that one really doesn't fucking go in. Alright. Alright, now we got the measuring tape to fully go in and be pretty much flush with the wood. Looks like this side still needs a little bit more. We'll go ahead and just hit both of them a little bit more. We can now fit our tapes all the way inside. With that being said, we're going to go ahead and cut the slots in the other one, and then from here we should be able to test it on the car. However, it is getting kind of late, so I don't know if we'll actually get to that point. But I mean, I guess you'll see right now. Alright guys, so we have the toe plates mocked up. We have both measuring tapes through the slots, and as you can see, it's going to be the same on the other side. The end of the measuring tape is going to get stuck on the wood, so you'll be able to pull them. As you can see, it's pulled all the way, plate up against the wheel. You can see right here on this side, we're about 71 3/4 or so. And on the back side, you could see I'm like right at 72. So my car is actually towed out about 3/4 inch or so. So to adjust it from here, you can either jack the car up or just turn the wheel to full lock and adjust your tie rods in and out to make up for the toe in or the toe out that you have. And from there, you got to back the car up at least 10 foot or so and then bring it forward again and then set the toe plates up and remeasure. And then once you have it to where you want it, so this car with dead center zero toe would be about 71.5. So I'd have to move each one at least 1/4 inch on both sides to keep the rack centered. And that would help out a lot with tire wear as well as how she drives down the road. And that's going to be all for today's video, guys. It's already pretty late, as you can see. Got to go to work in the morning. So I'm going to leave you guys with that. Hopefully this video will help you guys out. Especially a lot of those stance guys out here running lots of camber or whatever, running through tires. Running through tires is not fun, nor is it cheap. So make sure to keep your alignment in spec, and always remember, camber won't kill tires, but toe plus camber will murder them hoes. So just keep your toe within spec. Usually zero toe is what I roll with, just for maximum tire wear efficiency. But I mean, for like motorsports, whatever you were trying to do, you can do, like, I know more toe in the rear will help it keep straight under speed or whatever. But not too sure. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, leave a comment of what you think. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget it, CGOD's your man. Later.